Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete skills from your LinkedIn profile. This is particularly useful when you want to keep your profile updated and relevant, removing outdated skills that no longer represent your current expertise or career focus. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your professional profile. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Now, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture and name displayed prominently. Go ahead and click on your profile. This action will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where all your professional information is displayed. Once you're on your profile page, it's time to locate the skills section. You'll need to scroll down through your profile, passing through sections like your experience, education, and other details. Keep scrolling until you find the skills section. This is where all the skills you've previously added to your profile are listed, and it's typically located in the lower half of your profile page. When you've found the skills section, look for the pencil icon positioned beside it. This pencil icon is LinkedIn's universal symbol for editing, and clicking it will allow you to modify the contents of this section. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon to enter edit mode. Now you're in the editing interface for your skills. Browse through the list and find the specific skill you want to remove from your profile. Once you've located it, you'll notice that each skill has its own pencil icon beside it. Click the pencil icon next to the skill you wish to delete. A new option will appear on your screen, and you'll see a button that says Delete Skill. This is the final step in removing the skill from your profile. Simply click on Delete Skill, and LinkedIn will immediately remove it from your list of skills. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a skill from your LinkedIn profile, keeping your professional presence accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.